how to use Snapchat on browser. So if you want to use Snapchat on your browser, then what you need to do is open up your browser. You can choose any browser that you're comfortable with. So I'll be here with Chrome browser. Once you've opened your browser, you can go for the search, and then you need to search for snapchat.com. Once you've searched for snapchat.com, here it will have this kind of uh, interface. So what you need to do is you need to simply go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and then you can go for the desktop site. Once you're here on the desktop site, it will take you to the login page of the Snapchat. So you need to simply go for the login, and then you need to log into your Snapchat account. You can enter your username or your email address and tap on login. And once you tap on login here, this is the second step where you need to enter your password. So make sure to enter a correct password, and once you enter your password, go for the next, which is here on the middle of your screen, and then once you tap on next, it will log you into your account on your browser and you can use your Snapchat. So that's it. That's how you can use your Snapchat on your browser. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.